Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Cashew Expense and Budget Tracker app. Today, I'll show you how to use Cashew Expense and Budget Tracker app. First, open the app and either skip sign in or create an account to sync your data across devices. Next, set up your monthly budget, for example, 1,200, and select your preferred currency. Once your budget is ready, check the graph to view your expenses and income. To log a transaction, tap the plus icon. For expenses like fuel, you can select an existing category or create a new one by naming it, choosing an icon, and adding the amount. For income, such as a one-time sale, create a custom category with an appropriate icon. Set the date and enter the amount. Cashew will track your spending and show how much of your budget you've used. You can also separate accounts like cash and card to organize your finances even further. With these simple steps, managing your money in Cashew is quick and intuitive. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.